Oh, it's so dark in here. Come on, let me turn on the lights for you. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Okay. You're such a cutie woody patootie. Look what I got. It's your favorite ball. Go get it. You want your ball? Want your ball? You want it? Just like a dog. Yeah. Pet, 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 pet. I love you. I love you. I love you, kitty, kitty. Oh, you kissed me. You give me a little lick on the face. You give me a little lick. Hello. Hello. You're so cute. Yes, you are. Come here. Come on. You're crazy. You're crazy. Get out from there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Nope. Nope, you can't eat popcorn. Don't do that. You know what they say, curiosity killed the cat. Try not to be as curious next time, or you might eat something bad. Like milk. Old milk especially. But milk hurts. You're about to witness the weirdest thing any cat has ever done. Or not. Okay. Here we go, come on. There you go, folks. A cat that likes the toilet. Now that is just crazy. Okay, let's close the toilet. And now he's going to hop into the bath, hoping that there's water in there. Cat that likes water. Probably run out in the rain. He'd probably run outside during a rainstorm, not come back until the rainstorm's over, and then just come in here and somehow figure out how to turn on the faucet. Crazy kitty, crazy kitty. Crazy, you're crazy. Not exactly the highest for this time of year, but your dew point is very high. Hold on, I'm doing the cat. You're such a sweetie pie. This is actually a little bit cooler feeling than what we experienced earlier today. It's so shiny. You're so cute. Nope.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. I'm sorry. Get back. You show too.
Just give her about 4 or 5 and then put them up. Because you make them freak out if you're standing around. Put them on the rug or somewhere where you can get them. Just don't tease me, just give them to her.
There you go. She's real cut. I think this has been enough time. You're following me. Okay, you're a good boy. Just perch up on your favorite spot. No, I don't have anything for you. Hello. 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 Okay, I guess I'll just stop it. Thanks for watching.